How to turn your listing into a client magnet easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can turn your listing into a client magnet. So let's get into it. Now, everyone knows how to create a Google My Business listing, but you have a listing, but it's giving you no benefit whatsoever. You're getting 0 views, you don't have anyone looking for your listing. So how do you actually book clients or get clients from your listing? Well, I have some optimization tips for you guys that you can get started with to get more people to actually view your listing and to get more clients to your business. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing I have is the business category. So for any listing on Google, if I go on to Google over here and if I search for any kind of business, so let's say I just search for salon. Now there will be multiple different categorizations for any kind of business or listing. So I will just open up some listings from over here. And what I'm just going to do is I'm going to show you guys some of the listings. Now, you can see over here that you have multiple different listings, and the top listings are listed as beauty salons because that is the closest category to a salon. Now, you want to make sure that the primary category that you put your business in is befitting of your business, is befitting of the salon services or whatever kind of services that you are providing. So, for example, this listing is for a hair studio. So they actually have categorized themselves as a hair salon, and that is why they are showing up at the bottom of the results. However, within this same area, if I search for hair salons, if I search for hair salons, that listing is probably going to show up more higher on the search results, simply because it is categorized as a listing for that specific item. So if I go on ahead and just take a look at some of the listings over here. So if I take some of the listings over here, now you can see over here, if I search for hair salons, the top listings are always of hair salons instead of beauty salons, although beauty salons might provide hair services as well. The reason for that is when Google has these listings optimized, they optimize them based on the fact that what is the customer searching for? They want to provide the customer with specifically what they have searched for. And that is why your business categorization is very important. So I have this business listing, which is for a lash studio. And you can see over here, I have actually listed this as a eyelash salon because that is the primary service that I want to provide. Although I do provide other secondary beauty related services, I don't want them to be the focus or at the forefront of my business. The primary focus is going to be eyelashes, so that is the specific category that I have added, and that is super essential in any business listing. So make sure that you add the correct category. Now you can add subcategories, but just make sure that the primary category focuses on your primary service. Now, the second tip that I have for you guys is your description. Your description needs to be at least 4 to 5 lines. You don't want to make it shorter than that. You want to make sure that you add a phone number and a website link if you have a website. Other than that, just add the phone number for your business to make sure that people are easily able to contact you for appointments, bookings, scheduling, anything like that. And then one more tip that I have for you guys is to pin reviews. So whenever you get reviews on your business listing, make sure to like the ones that have, a detailed experience with your business. Now, another super important thing that you can do is that in your question section, you can actually upvote a question, and you should upvote questions that are going to be asked by future customers, like, do you do semi-permanent stuff, or whatever is a business query that a lot of people might have for a business that you have answered in the Q&A section. Make sure to upvote that question so it shows up as the top question on your Google My Business listing. Now, other than that, you also have advertisement options, you have performance options, messaging, so on and so forth. Now, I would recommend that you make sure to check your messages if you have enabled those to make sure that you are replying promptly. Other than that, just make sure that it's optimized for your local SEO. If you don't know how to do local SEO optimization, you can use BrightLocal, which is a local SEO optimization tool that will enable you to optimize your business listing for the specific areas SEO that you are in. And you don't even need to pay for this. You get a 14-day free trial. And once you have actually created your business listing, then sign up for Bright Local. And within those 14 days, you can easily optimize your business. And once it expires, you really don't need to purchase it again because you have done most of the optimization. Now, to make sure that your business listing is a client magnet, make sure you have attractive photos and not phone photos. So even if you are taking photos on your phone, that's absolutely fine. For your business photos, make sure they are all in a landscape version. So don't take them in a straight version. Tilt your phone and take them in a landscape version, simply because it looks a lot more professional when people view a business and the photos look very clear and simple. Make sure the camera is not dirty. Make sure the images are not pixelated or of super low quality. Now, another very important thing that I have for you guys is to add multiple services. So I would recommend that you add all your services in the Google listing. The reason for that is a person might search for a very specific service, and if you have provided that service in your Google My Business listing, you will actually show up in the Google results for that specific person's search results, and that will be a super large benefit for your business to show up in search results for specific services. So you want to make sure that with every category that you have added, that you are adding the basic services. So you have some of the basic services that you get as a suggestion, and then you can add your own more customized business services as well. And make sure that the business categories that you have, all of them, are present in your business, and you are providing services related to those categories. Now, I would also recommend that you have an online booking system. If you don't, that's fine. However, it is something that attracts a lot more customers and it converts a lot more people into customers rather than just having a phone appointment or booking system. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to create your own listing on Google Business and convert your potential customers into actual customers using these tips. And these tips will definitely help your listing out a lot in terms of SEO and conversion. So just apply these tips and wait for a couple of days to see what gathers the most responses on your listing, and then expand on that specific side of your business listing. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video, and make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.